So what are the most watched political events in EMs this year, and how is that going to affect the investment landscape?
Yeah, so politics is always something that emerging market investors are looking at, right? And for the first half of this year, almost, we hadn't had a major set of elections, but that changes this weekend with Turkey's presidential election. That's the event that investors are looking at and saying it will kickstart, a period of volatility for emerging markets. When people are investing in developing countries, they look at elections closely because the policy path for the several years following that election really depends on who's at the helm. So we have elections in Argentina this year, we have elections in Pakistan, we have elections in Poland, and everybody is really with their eyes open there.
And, some countries, of course, facing a more difficult situation, debt crisis and political crisis at the same time. I'm talking about Pakistan, of course.
Yeah, so Pakistan is really in a difficult situation right now. I mean, the bonds have been trading at deeply distressed levels, so you can read it from there for almost a year. The last big test that they faced as an issuer was paying back creditors a $1 billion bond in December. Shortly after having devastating floods that jeopardized their fiscal stability. Just last week, one of my colleagues in Asia interviewed a Fitch analyst who told us that the country has almost $4 billion due in the next 2 months. So that's looking ahead at what Pakistan is going to do. It's putting pressure on the countries trying to secure an IMF program, and they've been in talks for almost 6 months there. So everybody's watching for sure in Pakistan.